Hello and welcome to the SoundClout application. This simple application will allow people to control multiple Raspberry Pis through Bluetooth technology so that they may play music and music installations. The first thing we are going to do in this application is go to Connect Devices and Scan for Devices. So let's do that now. Scanning sometimes takes a decent amount of time because it is scanning every Bluetooth device in the area. However, don't worry, the specially configured Raspberry Pis will be the only thing that show up in the list. Once a device is found, it is placed into the Scan column. To connect it to our program, we will simply click on it and it will be added to the Connected Devices column. If we would ever want to disconnect it, all we would have to do is click on it in the Disconnect column. Alternatively, we can click Disconnect All. Now, let's go to Test our device. On the Test Devices page, there will be a list of every Raspberry Pi that is connected to the program. As long as the switch is on, when we click Test Device, it will send a signal to that Raspberry Pi. The Raspberry Pi will then play whatever instrument or activate whatever motor it is set up to do. Next, let's talk about setting up groups. All you have to do to set up a group is go to the Edit Device Groups page. Click Create Group, and then we can name our group. For this group, I believe we're going to name it Group 1. Now, we simply click OK, and we are presented with a screen that shows the connected Raspberry Pis and a switch of whether they're on or off in that group. We can now go to our home page and edit the group's behavior. A group behavior is basically what the group will do throughout a cycle of the Raspberry Pis running. We should create a time slot and then go to that group's settings. Let's say that we want 16 events in an event length of 1 minute. We can now click Save. When we click Save, it creates a .SoundClout file that represents the actions it will take throughout the time after it is started. When we click Start, it will send the instructions to each Raspberry Pi corresponding to their groups. Once they are running, you will get the cycle running screen. Now, all you have to do is sit back and watch your Raspberry Pis run. I hope you found our application nice and easy to use. Thank you.